The FSR7 is a new generation sweeping machine that boasts all the innovation can currently offer, with a view to redefining the very concept of performance. The FSR7 maximizes the effectiveness of cleaning operations courtesy of exclusive features such as force technology. This acts on the brush, keeping it in contact with the ground at all times, even on irregular surfaces. The result is a uniform clean on the first passage, as well as a considerable time savings due to the fact that there is no need to repeat the operation. During use, it conveys a sense of absolute dynamism. It works at a speed of 7 kilometers per hour and for a total of 7 hours without stopping with lithium batteries. It can also drive up and clean ramps with ease without ever losing power and grip. Reliable and agile when maneuvering, the machine can move freely in any space. The sweeping width that is achieved with the two side brushes reduces cleaning times whilst increasing productivity. The versatility of the machine in terms of its application is enhanced by a series of devices that fine-tune its performance, adapting to the various challenges that can be encountered in different environments. The FSR7 has a powerful onboard vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter, which enables inaccessible spaces to be finished. The front skirt is highly effective when a large amount of dust is present, as it prevents this from rising into the air and dispersing, ensuring excellent results and protecting the health of the operator. A number of practical solutions help the operator to complete cleaning operations in less time and with less effort. The FSR7 even provides a reminder of maintenance appointments, alerting you in advance. This enables the inspection to be planned so that it does not interfere with your cleaning schedule. Safe Air technology employs a 3-level filtration system which effectively cleans the air, making it safer for both the operator and for the people who use the environment. A filter with Tetratex membrane is also available. Featuring a special structure, it effectively traps particulate matter, reducing emissions into the environment. And indeed, with the environment in mind, Fimap decided not to equip the FSR7 with an endothermic engine. In addition to conventional batteries, lithium batteries can also be selected with their unrivaled benefits. They require less energy and charge in less time. They can be partially charged, something that is actually beneficial to the batteries, ensuring the machine is always ready for use. Finally, batteries of this type last longer, as they are able to withstand more than twice as many charging cycles. Benefits that also reduce costs. Lowering the environmental impact of cleaning activities is even easier with the FFM system, which records CO2 production, thus providing the conditions necessary for continuous improvement. FFM is the key to enjoying total control over all cleaning operations and ensuring these are always at your fingertips. The data collected enables comprehensive monitoring of all activities, showing whether the FSR7 is working and where, as well as the areas it has already cleaned and which are still to be completed. Via the portal, it is possible to set a weekly cleaning schedule and send it to the machine. This enables the operator to follow the set schedule, ensuring that the desired cleaning standards are met whilst keeping costs down. An overview of the information obtained is also conveniently accessible via the My Machine app. The FSR7 is equipped with all of the most cutting-edge technologies for safe operation. Performance, equipment, and digital control make the FSR7 a totally unique sweeping machine, which can drive productivity to the highest possible levels, increasing the quality of cleaning services and reduce costs.